tumalo ang elder kung sa problema anang locality. Church fellowship dagang elder magkuan. Dungo pa naman. Naman ipumunta na nga kung sa quality update sa inyo wala na wala matubag. So dili siya pwede mga expert. The function of an elder is an overseer mga expert. Wala na ilang na overseer lagi siya mga expert. Then kung again, dito rin siya kanang isa rin specific niya na ano specific jurisdiction sa locality mga export. Dili na siya mulapas. Elder na rin sa Ligos, dili siya maglabot-labot dito sa Santa Cruz. So, sayang within the jurisdiction, within mga export. Covered ang iyang function. So, ang elder, ang iyang function is to oversee mga export. Kung saan ang mga problema, mga ibuhaton, na nagyan sa iglesia o local mga export. Diin siya na ibuhat. Then, the serving ones. Acts 6:3-6 speaks 7 serving ones in the church in Jerusalem. Acts 6:3 says, "Now brothers, select 7 well-attested men from among you, full of the Spirit and of wisdom, whom we shall appoint over this deed." 7 brothers were chosen. Since these 7 were chosen to serve leaders, they will be considered deacons, just as those whom Paul and his co-workers appointed later in the churches. So, the second, it is significant that in the appointment of the 7 serving ones, no leader was appointed. This indicates that no rank or position was regarded. All the serving ones are the servants of the saints. This is a good pattern for us to learn and follow, that we may avoid leadership in rank and position in any form. And the local church mga igsoon,